Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to swap out the battery in your 2022 to 2025 BMW M Series key fob. This key fob does take one CR2032 battery, and if you need one, we'll provide a link in the description below where you can pick one up. So we don't need any additional tools to swap out the battery in this key fob, but the first thing we're going to do is flip it over and then remove this silver part of the casing. So to do that, we need to press this button here on the back of the key fob, disengages and then pull out. And then we can flip this over. We can see our physical key. We're going to press on the corner of this key to swing it out, and we can remove it. And then if we look on the side here, we can see we have a battery tray that you could remove with your fingernails, but it helps to use the physical key. And on the top, there's a slot here where you can stick in the physical key and then just twist. And it pulls out the battery tray just slightly to where you can pull out the rest of the way with your fingernails, exposing your 2032 battery. So we'll swap out our 2032 battery with the positive side facing down in this housing. And then we could replace it inside of this key fob. There we go. And now we can replace the physical key. So we'll line it up here on this little swivel, push the key in. And then there's actually some directions on the back of the key fob here on how to replace this metal housing or this silver housing. You slide it in from the side and then up. So we're going to grab it here, slide it down to the side, and then push up, and you can hear it click. And now you're finished. So hopefully this video helped you out in swapping out your BMW key fob battery. If it did, leave us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.